habis. Set habis. Set up. So I'm gonna put the bottle right here, put it there, and then we'll see how strong the vibration is. Good morning everyone. So this is the mission. This is the Kawasaki KVR4 roller. Last video we uninstall all the motor and also the component right here to see the vibration coupling. But as we really carefully checking on the every component of the vibration, actually there is no problem. Everything is in a good condition. The thing is, they told us that the vibration power is not strong enough, and that's why we dismantle all the part and to see on the vibration component. This is the original coupling for this roller. We don't really see any kind of damage or problem on this vibration component. So I've been thinking that this might be the standard vibration power, because this is the standard. All of these components are the standard or the original component for this roller, so we cannot do anything. So for today's video we will install back all the component, all the parts, motor, everything, put it inside, put it back, and later on I will show you how exactly the vibration power for this roller. Datang masuk dulu, tuna yang gini-gininya di bawah ya. Udah. Tarik dulu deh. Oh, ini bah. Kalau tidak selesai, tuh. Oke. So, dua tolong. Alright, so everything is back on track, and we install all the components for the vibration, and now it's time for the testing. So I'm gonna use the water bottle to test out the vibration power. So I'm gonna put the bottle right here, put it there, and then we'll see how strong the vibration is. The vibration is quite strong. That's how strong the vibration for this roller. I don't know exactly how strong the vibration for this roller, but yeah, from what you can just see on this video, when I put the water bottle in front of the machine, and you can see the water is vibrate. So for those of you who have better knowledge on this roller, on this kind of machine, you can let me know on the comment, how do you think about the vibration power for this roller. And just now we test the machine, and yeah, if I stand here, I can feel the vibration whenever the machine is about 5 feet away from me, and I can feel the vibration already whenever the machine is going near me, and then the vibration is much stronger. I can feel the area right here is vibrate.